What's up, everybody? I'm gonna try to make a quick 4th gen 98 to 02 Firebird headlamp motor replacement video. Here's what I recommend you have: impact driver with quarter drive bit, number 2 Phillips bit, T27 extensions, U-joint, not the reversible gear wrench, but this flat one for this one stupid nut back there for the motor, and a regular 10mm wrench for the other side, and of course your 10mm socket if you can find any. First thing, you take that off, and that cover is held in. Yeah, that's held in by number 2s. First, you gotta take this off though, which is also held in by number 2s. Just look through the holes, you'll see them. Alright. There's where the T27 comes in. T27, 10 on the other end. Take that off. Take it off on the other side. Take that 10 off. And that 10 off. And then all the ones down there. I guess I got them better over here. Yeah. 10, 10, and then the difficult ones back there. So, yeah. Regular wrench on that nut there. Gear wrench on that one through there. And that's the hardest part. That's the stupid nut. But yeah, not bad. But before you do all that, take a look at your plug, because that's what mine looked like. Luckily, I have another one. Thanks for watching, folks.